Konbanwa minasan. Today, let's learn how to say age in Japanese. The common questions for how old are you are being asked in two ways. The first way is Nansai desu ka? How old are you? Nansai desu ka? How old are you? Or you can ask Oikutsu desu ka? How old are you? Oikutsu desu ka? How old are you? Let's begin. We are using counter suffix sai to indicate age after the number. Issai, 1 year old. Issai, 1 year old. Nisai, 2 years old. Nisai, 2 years old. Sansai, 3 years old. Sansai, 3 years old. Yonsai, 4 years old. Yonsai, 4 years old. Gosai, 5 years old. Gosai, 5 years old. Rokusai, 6 years old. Rokusai, 6 years old. Nanasai, 7 years old. Nanasai, 7 years old. Hassai, 8 years old. Hassai, 8 years old. Kyusai, 9 years old. Kyusai, 9 years old. Jussai, 10 years old. Jissai, 10 years old. Juissai, 11 years old. Juissai, 11 years old. And so on. 20 years old person is called Nijussai or Nijissai or Hatachi. Please be careful while saying or pronouncing the counters or age suffix in Japanese. Please practice well. Ijo desu. じゃあまた会いましょう。